Welcome to the Felix Goodson Library video tutorial designed especially to assist you in locating research resources for the Basic Human Nutrition coursework. Any internet-connected device may be used to locate library resources. Login credentials are required to access all the databases and eBooks. The password sheet is available on your course LMS. For quick access, you may wish to bookmark the library's homepage. At any time, you may click these links to reach library resources. From the library's landing page, you may click the red buttons to access journals and databases or books and ebooks. Tutorials and citation helps are easily reached here. Let's first search the journal databases, which are categorized by subject. Select specific journal titles or any of the databases. Then begin your search, remembering to type keywords or terms and avoiding lengthy phrases. The database tutorials are your friend and will provide many tips for searching and saving. Narrow your research topic by limiting the results. The limiters are usually found on the left side of the page. Be sure to check the boxes for peer review or academic journals, and of course you do want the full text. You may access eBooks by different methods. From the catalog, be sure to click the red bar. Although eBook Central houses the greatest number of ebooks, please feel free to utilize the other vendor links as well. You must create an account or sign in to read, print, or download any ebook. Be sure to use your WBU Gmail for the username. Take advantage of the Search Within Book feature to locate specific words or phrases. This allows you to read only the relevant information rather than the entire book. Here are a few tips to remember. Internet is required to read online or download the book or chapter. Once downloaded, however, to the device, no Wi-Fi is required. It is advisable to print one chapter at a time to avoid limitations imposed by copyright rules. And always remember, library staff are ready to assist you in person, by phone, or email.